In today's video, I will teach you how to add a lomographic effect to photos using GIMP. Let's get started. Creating a lomographic effect in GIMP can add a vintage and artistic touch to your photographs. Here's a step-by-step guide to achieving this effect. Start by selecting the image that you want to apply the Lomo effect to and open it in GIMP. Now, navigate to Colors, then Curves. This adjustment will form the basis of the Lomo effect by altering the colors in the image. Follow these steps for each channel. For the value RGB channel, set the S-curve by adding a point in the middle and dragging it slightly upwards, then another point below and drag it downwards. And for the red channel, apply the S-curve similar to the value RGB channel. And for the green channel, apply another S-curve as done for the previous channels. And for the blue channel, create an opposite S-curve by adding a point in the middle and dragging it slightly downwards, then add another point above and drag it upwards. These adjustments will enhance the colors and contrast in your image, giving it a distinctive Lomo look. Now we're going to duplicate the layer and apply gradient map. Duplicate the layer containing your image by pressing Shift-Ctrl-D. Then go to Colors, Map, and select Gradient Map. Ensure that the gradient map colors are set to black and white, which is the default setting. After applying the gradient map, set the duplicated layer's blending mode to Overlay and adjust the opacity to around 50%. This will blend the gradient map with the original image, intensifying the contrast and enhancing the Lomo effect. To further enhance the vintage feel of the image, you can add a border or vignette effect. To do this, create a new layer and name it Border. Then select the Gradient or Blend tool and choose the foreground-only black gradient. Then stroke the gradient from the edges towards the center of the image to create a vignette effect. Then adjust the stroke as desired. Then set the opacity of the border layer to around 50% to ensure it blends smoothly with the image. And that's it! You've successfully applied the lomographic effect to your photograph in GIMP. Experiment with different settings and adjustments to achieve your desired vintage look. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.